How to stop subscriptions on your iPhone on iCloud. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can stop subscriptions from your iPhone on iCloud, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to stop subscriptions from your iPhone on your iCloud, all you have to do is simply, first of all, let's say you have any type of iCloud subscription or whatever else, you want to make sure to open the settings app here. Once you open the settings app, you want to make sure to tap your Apple ID profile from the very top of the screen, so just tap on it. Once you tap the Apple ID profile from the very top, here you'll find an option where it says subscriptions. So all you need to do is make sure to just tap the subscriptions button here, and once you tap on the option called subscriptions, here you'll be able to see all of the subscriptions such as iCloud, Apple Music, Apple One, your storage, or whatever subscription you have. You can just tap on those subscriptions and then remove them accordingly. That's it on how you can go ahead and then stop your iPhone subscriptions on iCloud. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.